But he's not even talking about just that, just like the calcium deposit.
I'm making kotu in United States. I got plain paratha, making the chicken curry, and putting everything together, make a masterpiece. Putting curry powder, all kind of crap, garlic, and I got this actually I'm gonna mix everything up together.
So Stefan's saying there's more minerals in the water than we really want to be drinking.
Coleslaw, so I'm too lazy to chop anything, so it has cabbage, carrots, whatever, spring onions. Yep.
Hey! Hey!
And I got tomatoes. And Pete is excited about this.
Hey, Mom!
And the paratha is cooking. Redneck Evan is cooking.
We made these from scratch. We went out and harvested these with our debit card. And Pete over here opened them with his bare hands. This is the traditional method.
Yeah.
And the dividers we use to keep them from sticking are made from recycled dinosaur bones. Kind of permaculture. They weren't using them; it was just sitting out in the earth like trash. So we, turned them into all plastic. Pretty cool. World's greatest sustainable product.
He's all about that.
Yep. Sustainability.
Yeah.
Is my middle name. Seriously, I legally changed it.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And this is the chicken curry that's cooking up. So it's gonna be chicken kotu.
So I'm getting a little too crispy here.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Here's the one that was given that really cool talk on the origins of consciousness.
What is this talk?
I don't know. I was stoned and I lost it. But it was like, whoa, this guy's speaking my language.
The actual.
Maybe. Hopefully it's not hot enough. Too hot. Okay. Heating up the oil.
I told Evan to maybe keep an eye out for a couple more pallets so we can just like.
Oh, I need eggs. Ready to go.
Try to get some seed on
About 3 eggs. Probably.
That way good for the shells.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why this one is out?
No. Yeah, it's ready for the egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Soy sauce. Yeah, if it's not.
I think they threw in that cabbage.
Oh. This one? Oh yeah. I'm blind. Okay, I need that.
Everything pretty much here. What else do you need from me? I think I probably have access before, but is there a contour thing in this one?
Yep, so there.
Ah, right. Wait, no, you're wrong. Are we going to need the cutting board for more things?
Don't need the cutting board anymore.
This was the... project. What? It will easily be incredible without the cheese.
Hmm?
It will easily be...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Incredible without it. So this is what I'm mostly curious about.
What is that?
The flavor.
Oh, you're trying.
What gives it the consistency?
Tomatoes, I guess.
Is it like blended?
Yeah.
Just just
I
can
got a
can
paste.
you walk me through it a little bit? I'm curious.
I gotta pay for it.
A paste?
Yeah.
Like
It's
a
much easier.
like a pre-made one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells good.
Thanks. Hey man, how do you like the kotu?
Well, you know, thanks for dinner. Really appreciate it. And, oh, hey, look, it's your sister. It's really bad. Tastes like shit. I wouldn't follow this, whatever he did to give you instructions on how to make it. It's really not that good. So, I really enjoyed it. And, just, you know, it's like an explosion. Like a bomb went off in my mouth and killed everything.
Water on it. Walk away.
Flavorful.
Hope somebody else figures it out.
Thanks, you.
You're welcome.